Case studies are one of the most powerful tools you have to attract and close clients. They demonstrate real results and build trust in a way that no sales pitch can match. In this lecture, you will learn how to create case studies that clearly communicate value and convert prospects into clients. A strong case study works because of psychology. It provides social proof, showing that others have trusted you and achieved results. It uses specific numbers, which make the outcome believable. It tells a story, making it easier to understand and remember. It reduces risk for potential clients by proving that your approach works. A well-structured case study follows a clear framework. It starts with the client background. This explains who the client is, their industry, and their scale. The goal is to help readers relate to the situation. Next is the challenge. This section describes the problem the client was facing. It should include specific pain points and measurable impact, such as time spent, costs, or inefficiencies. Then comes the solution. Here you explain what you built and how it addressed the problem. Focus on the outcome and approach rather than going too deep into technical details. The most important section is the results. This should clearly show before and after comparisons using numbers. Include metrics such as time saved, cost reduction, accuracy improvement, or revenue impact. Adding a client quote significantly increases credibility. Finally, include key takeaways. This highlights what others can learn from the project and reinforces the value of your approach. To create effective case studies, you must capture data early. Before starting a project, collect baseline metrics such as time spent, error rates, costs, and volume of work. Without this data, it becomes difficult to demonstrate impact later. During and after the project, measure improvements using the same metrics. This allows you to present clear comparisons. Always get permission from your client before publishing a case study. Explain what will be included and offer the option to anonymize their information if needed. Let them review the final version before sharing it publicly. Case studies can be presented in different formats depending on the platform. A detailed version works well on your website or portfolio. Shorter versions are effective for social media. Condensed formats can be used in presentations or proposals. Adapting the format allows you to reuse the same case study across multiple channels. Over time, you should build a portfolio of case studies. Aim for multiple examples across different industries and project types. This demonstrates both depth and breadth of experience. The goal is to show consistent results across different scenarios. A strong case study does more than describe a project. It clearly shows the problem, the solution, and the measurable impact. This positions you as someone who delivers real business outcomes, not just technical work. When done correctly, case studies become a powerful asset that attracts clients, supports higher pricing, and shortens the sales process. In the next lecture, you will explore certification and how to further strengthen your professional positioning. See you in the next lecture.